Book of Heaven, Volume 12, May 28, 1920. The acts done in the divine will enter the sphere of eternity and run ahead of the human acts. I was offering myself in the holy sacrifice of the Mass together with Jesus, so that I too might undergo his same consecration. And he, moving in my interior, told me,
"My daughter, enter into my will, so that you may find yourself in all the hosts, not only present, but also future. And in this way you will undergo, together with me, as many consecrations as I undergo. In each host I place one life of mine, and I want another one in return. But how many do not give it to me? Others receive me, I give myself to them, but they do not give themselves to me, and my love remains suffering, hampered, and suffocated, and without requital. Therefore, in my will, come to undergo all the consecrations which I undergo, and I will find in each host the requital of your life, and not only for as long as you remain on earth, but also when you are in heaven. In fact, since you have been consecrated in advance while being in my will on earth, just as I will undergo consecrations until the end, so will you undergo them, and I will find unto the last day the requital of your life."
Then he added,
"The acts done in my will are always those which excel over all and have supremacy over everything. In fact, having been done in my will, they enter the sphere of eternity, and taking the first places in it, they leave all humans' acts behind, running always ahead. Nor can whether they are done before or after have any influence, whether in one era or in another, or whether they are small or great. It is enough that they be done in my will for them to be always among the first, and to run ahead of all the human acts. They are similar to oil placed together with other edibles. Be these even of greater value, even gold or silver, or foods of great substance, they all remain underneath, while the oil excels on top of them. It never lowers itself to be under. Be it even in minimal quantity, with its little mirror of light, it seems to say, I am here to excel over everything, nor do I band together with other things or blend with them. In the same way, the acts done in my volition, because they are done in my will, become light, but a light that is bound to and identified with the eternal light. So they do not mix with the human acts. Rather, they have the virtue of making the human acts turn into divine. Therefore, they leave everything behind, while they are the first among all.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.